Hello. Hello. Also, you open this cover. Please open this cover. Now your machine in this position. You can lose it. You can in this position. Do you understand?就现在可以摇一下吗？
可以摇，
可以摇啊。You see, each gear, each system control this need hold to turn right and return left, turn right and return left. You can check. You see, now the needle change way, change direction. Now the needle head change to left and then move to right. Each system control this needle head, needle hold. And if you want to change the pattern, this position is a fork pattern. Now if you want to change it to other pattern, you need to rotate this big wheel to be which position you can change it.